We're only 2 months away from the new year, and I want you to end the year with a bang. So I've put together an 8-week meal prep just for you. We'll be cooking lots of simple, delicious and nutritious recipes. Let's commit and start together on Monday, 28th of October, up until Sunday, the 22nd of December. If you haven't yet subscribed to my training app called Feel, then do check it out. There will be exclusive monthly workout programs by our certified trainers, healthy recipes and useful fitness tips to guide you. Keep me updated with your progress daily and share your post-workout selfie or a meal you have prepped. Tag me at Joanna Soh Official and hashtag 8weeknewme. Let's not wait no more. Start now. So click on the links below, download the meal prep, subscribe to Fuel, and let's end this year strong.